Here are the top reasons why the FMAX216 hydraulic dovetail should be your next HotShot trailer. Number 1 is the fleetneck engineered beam technology in the neck and frame, providing unparalleled power to weight ratio. Available 40K GVWR for the heaviest payload on the market. And last, a 10,000 pound lift and carry capacity on the 12-foot hydraulic dovetail. And 3 bonus options that you should consider to really level up your HotShot game. Number 1 is the Cush Air Ride to garner loads that standard spring suspension can't get while improving ride quality greatly. A shocker hitch, the cherry on top when it comes to ride quality. And number 3, hydraulic jacks for effortless hooking and unhooking. To learn more about these options and features and how to equip your next HotShot trailer, jump on diamondsea.com. There on the Learning Center, we have all kinds of great information to get you ready to do work.